I bet you didn't know why the Mac Mini's power button is under the device. Let's uncover the mystery. Apple's 2024. Mac Mini has raised eyebrows with its power button placement. Positioned underneath the device, this design choice seems inconvenient at first glance. So why did Apple do it? The answer lies in size. The latest Mac Mini is nearly half the size of its predecessor, making space an essential factor. Apple explained that the button's location was a practical solution driven by the compact design. Most users rely on sleep mode, rarely needing the physical power button. While this might not sit well with everyone, it's a clear example of the trade-offs in tech design. Some users have already devised creative DIY fixes, showing that even in tech, there's always room for a little ingenuity. So, next time you reach for that power button, remember it's all about balancing form and function. What do you think about this design choice? Drop your thoughts in the comments.